Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a journal of reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The rules can be reversed also, and this is a reading from 6th till the 12th of January. And if it is not resonating, it's not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Uh, the link is in the description box for the same. I'm sorry, I got something else in my mind. Anyways, and if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots or mail us for the same if you have any queries. So let's start. Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Four of Swords. There is certain sense of detachment in the situation right now. There is lack of communication going on. Sense of detachment is there. Let me clarify the Four of Swords as their feelings for you. Let's see. Let's clarify the Four of Swords. We have the Five of Swords, the Hierophant, and the King of Swords, right? See, there's a lot of ups and downs, lots of troublesome energies. There are lots of anger and resentment issues are going on in the situation. So someone is trying their best to remain detached in the situation. Okay, they feel like to heal the situation properly. For the time being, they have to detach from the situation because the more they're trying to fix it, the more it's going out of hands. Okay, so right now they feel like detachment is a solution to this situation, according to them. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Six of Swords. So you feel like finding a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation. From time to time, you are still carrying the past baggages with you, though, Libra. This is the problem here. You're not able to let go of something or someone out of your system, even if you're trying your best. Let's clarify the Six of Swords here. We have the Six of Cups, the Hermit, and the Seven of Wands. Yeah. So what you're feeling here is that you still feel very much connected to someone. You guys have a soul connection. You guys have a very beautiful past together. And because of the past, you guys are not able to let go of each other completely, even if you're trying your best. So that is why you feel like finding a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation. At the same time, you are feeling blocked in the situation because you feel like the more you're trying to fix it, the more you're trying to let go of the past, the more it's coming back to you in circles, and you can't help it. You can't do anything about it. Wow, it's like you're feeling helpless in the situation, both of you. But one of you is trying to sort it out with compassion, one of you is trying to sort it out with practicality, with this energy of I have to do it, else it's over, kind of, right? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? मैं तो हुई तेरी तेरी जोगनिया. Magician. Their intention is to manifest something here. Their intention is to manifest good energy, good vibes, good relationship. Wow, this card just jumped. Ace of Swords. We have the Page of Swords, the Strength card. So this person wants to manifest clarity. They want to manifest this energy of whatever is meant for us. Let that come to us, come to the surface. So this person don't want to take any kind of action in this direction, but they want to manifest clarity by distancing themselves from the situation, by taking a step back and understanding each and everything about the situation, and manifesting the clarity, the truth, the honesty, the clear cut energy, the clear cut answer to the situation. Wow, this is what they want. They are ready to face the truth here. They're ready to face whatever is going to come out of the situation, whatever is the truth, whatever is the outcome. They are ready to face that. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? I'm Emperor. See, you just want to take the charge of your life in your own hands. You just want to make one decision and stick to that decision, whatever that is. You are in this energy of I have had enough in the situation. Now I want to take the charge of my life in my own hands. I can't be stuck in the situation forever. It's like a loop coming back in circles. Now I have to do something about it. That is what you want to do. Let's clarify the emperor here. We have the seven of pentacles, the high priestess, and the six of swords, right? See, you want to detach yourself from the situation and you want to listen to your intuition, and your intuition is kind of guiding you to keep moving forward and leave the past baggages behind. That is what you're trying to do. You want to keep moving forward and you want to leave the past baggages behind, and you want to stick to that decision of moving forward, not looking back. Moving forward with or without this person. If this person is ready to heal and they are ready to pick up the pace that you are going with, then you are ready to stay with them, keep them with you. Otherwise, you're ready to let it go. That is your energy. That is what you want. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 12th of January, honey, in the situation. Six of Pentacles. I do see equal give and take of energy. I do see balanced, restored kind of energy in some way in this situation. Okay, let's clarify this. We have the King of Wands, the Moon card, the Wheel of Fortune. See, both of you are moving forward, but the way you guys are moving forward is kind of creating a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress, a lot of this energy of what if this will happen, what if that will happen. Although you guys are trying to keep moving forward and surrender to the divine, you guys are not able to do that. And it's from both the sides. Both of you are scared of the unknown in the situation, but both of you are not willing to let it go. And both of you are trying their best to fix the situation, to restore the balance back in the situation in some way. It's like putting in the equal effort and energy in the situation from both the sides, but fearing the unknown from both the sides and trying to figure out what is best for both of you. So basically, what I'm getting here is on an individual level, both of you are trying your best to fix yourselves, your own energies first, and then you guys are trying to balance the energies from both the sides. But at the same time, you guys are not able to give all of your heart and soul to the situation because of the fear, because of the unknown fears and difficulties that you might face in the situation in the coming future as well. You are scared of, you guys are scared of the unknown, you guys are scared of the future of this situation, both of you. That is why even if you guys are trying to bring the balance back in the situation, it's not happening. Quite difficult. Guidance for you, the Four of Cups. See, until unless you're 1000% sure, 1000% clear on your path regarding your love and relationship area, you should not move in in that particular direction, honey, because you are going to mess this up again, or you are going to create a shit show again if you are not going to be 1000% sure about your own energies, about what you want and about how you want it. It's going to be a shit show then, right? So first of all, you have to clear your own energies, and you should understand what you want, what you don't want, your negotiables, your non-negotiables. And if you're getting what you want out of the situation, very good, try to repair it. If not, you have to like make a strong decision here, strong choice here, whether you want to stick around or you want to let it go, right? That's the answer here. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.